invite Mr. Virendra Prasad, Chief Executive Officer, Andhra Pradesh Center for Financial Systems and Services, for their implementation, Comprehensive Financial Management System 2.0. Congratulations.
Thank you so much for conferring us with the Scotch Order of Merit. This gives us a lot of motivation to do further. What we've done is we have implemented the works management system. We have implemented the works management system across the state. Close to 30,000 crores of works are executed by multiple departments, right from Panchayat Raj, roads and buildings, rural water supply. So all of those works will now come in a single platform, right from the administrative sanctions, technical sanctions, recording of the measurement book. So all of that will come in a single platform. So I think it will act as a role model for the entire country, I believe. So I hope this would bring a turnaround in the entire civil works which is happening across the state. Thank you, Scotch, again. I would like to thank our technology partner, SAP, who have been with us in entire solutioning right from the conceptualization of the project and then building it on top of CFMS phase 1, which includes only the treasury management. Thanks, everyone.
Congratulations. So with this, I now invite Mr. Sachin Rana, Mission Director, Chandigarh Skill Development Mission for Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Scotch, for recognition this little achievement in PMKY Chandigarh. I would like to dedicate this award to my office staff who has worked relentlessly since the beginning of this scheme, the training partners, government institute and the private institute both. Thank you, Scotch. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Dr. T. Prabhu Shankar, Executive Director, Chennai Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewerage Board, dial F for water 2.0.
Thanks a lot to the Scotch Group for bestowing us with the Order of Merit. This was actually it's a very it's an important citizen delivery service delivery scheme which touches the lives of 1 million people, because it literally changed the landscape in which people could book a water tanker in Chennai. And I'm glad that Scotch has recognized this work of ours. Thank you once again.
Compliments, Dr. Prabhu Shankar.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Mr. Dinesh K. Padalia, Deputy Director of Horticulture, Department of Horticulture, Government of Gujarat, for use of plastic mulching in vegetable crops cultivation for reduction in cost of cultivation and increasing production as well as net profit. Congratulations. Mr. V.G. Venkat Reddy, Director of Mines and Geology from Andhra Pradesh, for online system for mineral audit involving regulation of buying, storing, transportation of minerals.
Thank you very much, Scotch team, for giving this award. And you have implemented that e-permit system and transportation and VTS system and all these things. And human intervention in this field has been almost all, you can say, nil. So that's why, due to this human intervention, to avoid the human intervention system, we have implemented this e-permit system and all this thing in the revenue-based minerals. And almost all 6,000 leases you have been monitoring through e-permit system only, and transportations also. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. And now invite Mr. Shailesh Suthar, Directorate of Economics and Statistics, Government of Gujarat, for implementation of Gujarat Integrated Statistical System.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the Order of Merit Award. Our director, sir, is not available today. On behalf of him, I received the Order of Merit Award, and thank you once again. Thank you, Scotch, for this award.
Congratulations. Gujarat Energy Transmission Corporation Limited, Chief Engineer for Projects, Mr. B.N. Trivedi, for the project Communication Highway Optical Fiber Ground Wire. Mr. Trivedi.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, jury and entire team of Scotch. As a state transmission utility of Gujarat, it gives immense strength as an active state constituent of India for taking a very big leap forward in national building for digital India. Again, thank you very much, all the entire team of Scotch. I dedicate this award to my team. Thank you.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Mr. Vijay Tripathi, Manager IT and ERP from Gujarat Gas Limited, Project Harmony.
I take this opportunity to thank Scotch Group in awarding this semi-final to Gujarat Gas Limited. During this pandemic, Gujarat Gas was able to uninterruptedly provide gas to all the 15 lakhs plus customers. And our IT and ERP team, they were able to provide all the support to our internal and external users. We were the initial users of WebEx during our offices, which has helped our users to interact with our vendors and suppliers. We have used almost over 400 meetings with the Cisco WebEx, wherein 250 plus video conferences were done and 30,000 plus minutes were used in the Cisco WebEx. So remotely, all our users were able to use this IT capability to work from home as well during this pandemic. So I take this opportunity to thank all my IT and ERP team members in making this Project Harmony successful. Thanks to Scotch Group.
Excellent. Congratulations. I now invite Mr. R.B. Patel, Chief Engineer and Head of Research Department, Gujarat Power Research and Development Cell, GUVNL, for the project Geo Urja.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you to team coach and jury. Sir, this tool will become a very helpful and a big tool for any power sector. So any power sector is not having any mechanism to track assets. This tool will enable power sectors to have the real-time asset on fingertip. So it will be very much helpful to give reliable power supply to public. So this is in the interest of general public. Thank you very much.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Now invite Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, Principal Secretary, IT Electronics and Communication Department from the Government of Telangana, for blockchain-based property registration management system.
Thank you very much. This is indeed a very big honor for us. Telangana has been striving for the last 5 years to be in the forefront of emerging technologies. And I'm glad that a blockchain-based intervention has got this recognition. Very grateful to all of you.
Congratulations.
It's important for property, blockchain. Good initiative, very good initiative.
I request Mr. Jayesh Ranjan to stay back with us to receive the next order of merit for his project, Teach-Its. Would you like to say a few words on this?
Thank you. This is again a very innovative project for regulating the administration of cheat funds. As all of us know, this has become very problematic and critical in many states in our country. And this is a very efficient and elegant blockchain-based solution. This also won the national award in the e-governance conference of the Government of India. Very happy that it is getting similar recognition today.
Congratulations once again. And there's a third one that also goes to him for AI-based crowd estimation and management.
Thank you very much. This also is a very innovative project and uses a very refined algorithm to give a very good estimate of how many people are present and what kind of physical movement that kind of crowd is displaying. Very useful for law and order, surveillance and other such requirements. Glad for this recognition.
Congratulations. We move on to the next and invite Mr. Dhyaneshwar B. Patil, Commissioner, Madhya Pradesh Land Records and Management Society, for the project Land Reforms Through Digitization.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Scott, for this recognition. I am joining on behalf of Mr. Dhyaneshwar Patil. So, Madhya Pradesh has made a very significant progress in land record modernization and ranked as the top state in the country as per the National Council of Applied Economic Research that was released in February 20. And we have delivered more than 12 CR copies of land record to the citizens to their doorstep through online systems and e-delivery system. So it is being a most successful project in the land record in India. Thank you very much for this.
Congratulations. I now invite Mr. Vikas Narwal, Managing Director, Madhya Pradesh Paschim Kshetra Vidyut Vitran Corporation Limited, for the project Next Generation Billing System.
Thank you, Scotch Group. I am Sunil Patodi, joining on behalf of our MD sir. We have developed in-house billing system for entire state for LT consumers. And all this project is based on open source based technology. So cost of this project is negligible. Thank you.
Congratulations. The next one goes to Mr. V.K. Bikonde, Superintending Engineer, Madhya Pradesh Power Transmission Company Limited, for implementation of ERP in MP Power Transmission Company. Have everything with us. We move on to the next. And invite Dr. Prashant Rajankar, Associate Scientist, Maharashtra Remote Sensing Application Center, for Mahamadad. The next one goes to Mr. Nitin Kumar Bichway, Chief Municipal Officer, Nagar Parishad, Newton Chikhali, for Housing for All Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana 2022. Now invite Mr. Jaydeep Bhatt, Additional Chief Engineer, Paschim Gujarat Bhuj Company Limited, for Flashpoint and Query and Response.
Thank you very much to Scotch Group for recognizing effort of PGVCL, the largest DISCOM of Gujarat, by allotting sketch order of merit for management tools 41 activity. That is a tool by which, by the way, we can control all these our activity of DISCOM by this 41 activity. Then Flashpoint is a tool developed by our IT section, and by that tool we can make query and response immediately and monitor all the activities carried out at field level. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for joining us, and congratulations for your efforts.
Thank you, sir.
The next one also goes to Paschim Gujarat Bhuj Company.
That is
for managerial tool for 41 activities.
Right, sir. 41 tools of 41 activities is a management tool. By that way, we have defined different activities of our field level. That is for maintenance of line, loss reduction activity, and other consumer related activity, so to give satisfactory power supply. For all this activity, we can monitor at our corporate office level and at field level. The subordinate activity can be monitored by circle office also. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations once again. And there we are with big data analysis by PGVCL, Mr. Bhatt once again.
Sir, big data analysis is a tool also developed by our PGVCL. We are having 56 lakhs consumer for our billing purpose, 14,000 employees, and 10,000 suppliers with our 3,000 material inventory. That all thing is being controlled by this tool that is developed by PGVCL. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. And now invite Dr. G. Malsoor, Vice Chairman and Managing Director, Telangana State Mineral Development Corporation Limited for Sand Sale Management and Monitoring System.
Thank you, Scotch team, for conferring merit award. Sand is a very problematic subject. Still, we are able to meet the demand in a very transparent way by following sustainable sand mining rules. Thank you for choosing.
Congratulations, Doctor. The next one goes to Mr. P. Mohan Gandhi, Managing Director, West Bengal Small Industries Development Corporation Limited for land allotment, estate services and building plan sanction. We have Mr. Gandhi with us.
The semi-final finalist merit award. Final will be moved only in the evening.
We move on to the next, and this brings us to the end of the second round of Scotch Order of Merit announcements. And with this,